Swag, bitch.
If you're interested in the field of ethical hacking and cybersecurity, then you must have heard the term Termux, but for the first time you might have thought, what is Termux? And why everyone talks about it, right? Let me explain it to you. Termux is an Android terminal emulator and Linux environment app that works directly with no rooting or setup required. In other words, Termux is an essential emulator for the Android operating system. It enables us a Linux environment terminal on our Android device. In the terminal we can install several hacking tools and scripts used in Linux systems and gives us the power to hack with our Android device. I bet that sounds cool. Now let's install Termux.
Open Play Store and install Turmoix. Open Turmoix. After installing, go to the link in the description and copy the command. With this command you can easily install all the necessary packages. Before that, make sure you have an active internet connection. Now open Termux, then paste the code and hit enter. Now wait for a while. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more hacks. This tool installs all the package required for Termux automatically. Press Y and hit enter. Now wait till it's complete. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more hacks. Allow the storage permission if prompted. That's it, guys. We have successfully installed Termux and all the essential packages. Please like, comment and subscribe me for more.
Thanks for watching. Please like and comment if you found it informative. Subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. Peace out.